So I got a 2019 Chevy Bolt with a thumping noise when you turn the vehicle on. I don't know if you can hear that. Thump, 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 thump. It's just continuous. And then when we shut it off and open the door, noise continues for about 2 minutes. So I can feel the thumping noise right here on the brake pedal. And if I press the brake, the noise changes or goes away and then comes back. Seems to get worse after you press the brake, and I can really feel it in the pedal here. So I found this bulletin because I did a little bit of research before diving in, and I found that, well, they already know about this problem, and it says right there, do not replace anything for this problem because it's a software flaw. We need to reprogram the brake booster control module to the latest calibrations because they've identified a problem, they've rewritten the software and provided an update to take care of the hardware problem on the car. So we're going to check that out and see if the brake booster control module does have an update available. If it's already at the latest calibration, then I will dive in and I will look for an actual hardware fault. So we're going to check calibrations, and what do you know? We do have a software update available to take care of this problem. So sometimes you don't need to change any parts. It's a software problem, and you may change some parts and not get anywhere because the software that's running the hardware has a flaw. Okay, so I've got the battery support tool on because we need stable battery voltage, and I've got the communication device connected with hardwire USB because we want a nice solid connection when we're programming. Otherwise you could brick a module, honestly. You could destroy the module by not programming carefully and correctly. So we're going to go ahead with this programming. We're going to follow the instructions carefully, and then we're going to see if it fixes the problem. It even says right here, programming with the hood open could cause a no start condition. So you really need to read these instructions carefully and follow them. So anyways, I went out and closed the hood latch to kind of trick the vehicle into thinking the hood's closed, and we're going to proceed with the programming. We're going to let this finish, and then we're going to see if it's fixed. Okay, so after the programming, I've erased codes, I've done the after programming stuff that we need to do. We're going to power it up to see what happens, see if that noise is gone. I don't hear any noise anymore. Sometimes it really is that easy, and doing your research ahead of time can save you some trouble before you dive in on a problem that may not actually be a problem physically, that you can replace something on the car and fix it. So anyways, I'm going to continue to check this vehicle out and make sure it's good before I hand it back to the customer. And I guess if the video just suddenly ends, I guess you'll know it was fixed, huh?